Oh my god, is this real? Imagine a heavenly paradise perched at the top of a breathtaking cliff, 15 meters above sea level. A world like no other, a hidden place waiting to be discovered. Welcome to the enchanting realm of Wangxian Valley, nestled in the majestic three clear mountains of Jiangxi, China. Here, towering peaks and rugged rocks create a landscape of awe-inspiring beauty, with cliffs so steep they defy ascent. Cascading waterfalls adorn the surroundings, turning this haven into a paradise reminiscent of a utopian dream. Enter the Jiangxi Valley, where wonders unfold. What makes this destination truly unique? Picture this: rooms suspended 110 meters high on sheer cliffs, a breathtaking spectacle that leaves every viewer in awe. As you open your window, a panorama of mist-shrouded mountains and an intricately laid-out ancient town unfold like an enchanting ink painting. As night falls, the valley transforms into a sea of lights, transporting you to a bygone era in ancient China. The glow of 1,000 lanterns paints a scene straight out of history, capturing the hearts of all who visit. Who would have thought amidst these towering peaks there lies such a slice of earthly utopia? Are you ready to experience this tranquil life far from the chaos of the city? Enchanting Valley welcomes you to a world of serenity and wonder.